Hi, my name is Himanshu Purandare from NXP's System Engineering team. I'm here to show you Genevisio's DU Inline Accelerator solution, which is based on NXP's LX2160 multi-core ARM and L81201 programmable baseband processor. This module can be simply plugged into standard x86 rack mount server and allows for more cost-effective and low-power solutions by replacing the FPGA implementation. It can either run in standalone mode as full DU solution or inline L1 accelerator card. Here I'm demonstrating a full DU functionality. But now let's take a look at setup, how it looks like. Here we have complete 5G end-to-end ecosystem, which includes 5G core, which is running Stella software, NXP based Genevisio PCIe card, x86 server which is powering Genevisio card or PCIe. This third-party radio unit is interoperating with DU in split 7.2 and user equipment is connected to 5G network. This solution is running the Layer 1 Hi-Fi and Layer 2 Layer 3 software stacks by performing DU functionalities. This system uses Stella and third parties for Layer 1, Layer 2 and Layer 3 software stacks. Now let's take a look at a demo which we have. Here we can see user equipment which is connected to 5G network and has assigned IP address from the network. We are running end-to-end downlink and uplink traffic between 5G core and user equipment. Here we can observe the performance of around 1.1 gigabits per second in downlink and around 130 megabits per second in uplink direction. Thank you for watching NXP based DU Inline Accelerator solution. This solution enables Inline L1 accelerator solution for optimized performance and power, standalone mode for DU solution, fast time to market with ready to ramp ODM solution, ecosystem software implementations. Feel free to contact your local NXP salesperson if you need any information or visit www.nxp.com/5G for more details. Thanks.